Alright guys, the gas tank is empty right there. We're on 18 miles left, it says, according to Dad. Alright, we're gonna fill up the gas tank here in New York City. We'll see how much it's gonna take to fill this 2.0 up. Let's see where this goes. Look how quick the freaking money goes. We're at almost 20 here. And we're not even full in that tank yet. Not even halfway. And that's the prices right there. I'm paying Supreme Plus, I guess, $4.45. Not bad, not bad. Better than a 5 something, right? $5.50. Comment below how much you guys are paying for a full tank. I should be filling it up by 50, I think. Yeah, that's, I don't know, 52 maybe? Nope, 55. Oh, there you go. I'm just gonna push a little bit extra because it's all air at the end. That messes up with the sensor. Of course, I'm gonna let a little bit extra in there, make sure it's filled completely. There you go. $57.50.